Let's start inside Source Lab and open Data Sources. This is where WebChatAgent manages website pages, documents, text, Confluence, and Notion for this one assistant. The key thing to remember is that indexing is not model training. Your content stays replaceable. When a source changes, you update or re-index it and then repeat the same answer test. Click Add Data Source and choose the format that matches the original content. Website is best for public pages that should keep their URL. Documents is for PDF, text, Markdown, Word, or Excel files. Text input is useful for a short approved answer. Confluence and Notion are better when those workspaces are already maintained by a team. Don't copy the same content into several source types because duplicates make retrieval less predictable. For this repeatable test, enter the WebChatAgent training page and set crawling depth to 0. 0 means this exact page only, so the first result is quick to inspect and easy to explain. In production, an empty depth can follow all reachable pages. Use the re-index interval for content that changes and open advanced only when you need a precise content selector or URL exclusions for login, cart, tag, or duplicate pages. Back in the source table, wait until the website is completed. Pending means the job is queued. Processing means extraction is still running, and failed means you should inspect the URL, crawl permissions, and selectors. A completed badge proves the index finished. It does not prove every answer is correct, so keep the source row visible. Record the update date and continue to a fixed question set. Now add documents and choose the 2-page Northstar demo PDF. Give it the human-readable name Northstar Knowledge Base so the source is obvious in filters, conversations, and later audits. The file already has selectable structured text, so AI optimization stays off. For scanned PDFs, run OCR first. Always check headings, table order, and a sample from every page type before trusting the index. Here's the checkpoint. The website and the PDF appear once and both are completed. Use search, type, and category filters when the list grows, but keep categories stable. Products, support, or legal are more useful than temporary labels like new. Remove obsolete versions instead of leaving conflicting policy files active. If you change the AI provider, re-index the affected sources before you compare answer quality, because the embedding space may change. Finish in a real conversation. First ask whether WebChatAgent can use both website pages and PDF documents. Then ask for the unique verification code that exists only in the PDF. The real assistant confirms both source types and returns Nordstern-42 exactly. Add one deliberately unsupported policy question 2. A safe bot should admit the gap instead of inventing a detail. Reuse these questions after every source, prompt, or model change.